Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to import Coinbase to Turbotax. First, sign into Coinbase and download your tax report or CSV file, then open Turbotax and choose the crypto section. If you have Form 1099, use the import tool. If not, use CSV upload. Clean up duplicate transactions and verify cost basis for each trade. Save as you go and review totals before filing for accuracy and peace of mind. Begin by navigating to the Reports area in Coinbase and selecting the appropriate tax timeframe. Export the CSV or request any available Form 1099, then download and inspect the file to ensure columns match Turbotax expectations. Look for date, transaction type, quantity, proceeds, and cost basis fields. Remove obvious duplicates and fix missing cost basis entries before import. Keeping a clean file makes Turbotax import smoother and reduces manual edits later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making updates and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading tax guides and ebooks wherever you work, with a bright screen and long battery life. It's compact and perfect for travel between home and office. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In Turbotax, go to Investments and Crypto, then choose to import or upload your Coinbase file. If Coinbase appears as a partner, follow prompts to authorize import. Otherwise, upload the CSV you prepared. Carefully review each imported transaction and reconcile totals against your Coinbase report. Fix missing cost basis, tag transfers versus taxable trades, and address wash sale adjustments if needed. Finish by confirming summary gains and losses before proceeding to the rest of your return.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.